Okay, so let's do things and say we have uh, a chromium. Chromium, symbol Cr. Its number is 24. Its mass is, it's a big number, 51.996. Oh, it's so much neater than I thought it would be. Okay, and the proton count, it's the important part. The proton count is the same as the atomic number. So we can just copy that over. And then neutron is, neutron count is the atomic mass minus the atomic number. So that would be 51, because you always round down, minus 24. And that gives you 27. And then the electron count is the same as the proton and atomic number. You can just copy that over. But if there's a minus or a plus or whatever here, say there's a minus, then you know that there was an electron added, because the more electrons, the more negatively charged an atom is. So we can just, there we go, and make this 25, and that is what it'd be like for a -1 charge. You just add electrons for each negative, and then subtract subtract a charge for each electron that's added from the atomic number, and then add an electron for each. No, subtract a charge for each electron added. Sorry, this is a bit confusing. And after I do a nonchalant cut, it will be the other thing. So nonchalant. All right, welcome back to, oh, wait, that's another, okay, sorry, yep, okay, let's go. Welcome back. This time I'm slightly more prepared. All right, so let's say we have a sample of carbon. 98.9% of it is carbon 12, but 1.2% of it ish is carbon 13, based on random thing I found online. So what you want to do is you want to turn this percentage into a value between 0 and 1. You just do that, move this over here, and you want to take that new value, which is 0.989, take that value, multiply it by that, move this down there. You get 12 times, oh, that's bad. Okay, times 0.989. You get 12 times that, like that. And then you add it. Sorry, I just had food, I think. That's the problem. Anyway, so you add that to 13 from here. That, move down. Times this. Again, you shift this over 1 and 2. And that gives you 0. That's a point. 0, 1, 2. Like that. And then that equals a number, a very, very cool number that I know off the top of my head. And that number, it's okay. Can you remember 11.868? Just kidding, you can't, because you're not real right now. You'll be real later. What? Okay, plus 11.868. Was it 868? It better have been. Anyways, so the atomic mass of carbon is about 12.8 024. That number. And if I consult my periodic table that I found randomly online, carbon is actually 12.011. So like, is plus or minus number. It's I don't. It's fine. That's just how you do it. You take the atomic mass, you move it down there, and then you take the percentage that it is of a sample, you turn it over to this number, kind of form of a number, then you just add it with all the other samples of it, it tells you. And that is it. No more cut this time. This is the end of the thing that I'm doing.